Are you trying to find the best note taking app? Today, we are comparing Notability, GoodNotes, and Kilonotes. Each has its own strengths. So let's dive in. All three apps help you take notes, organize thoughts, and keep everything in one place. They are popular choices among students and professionals alike. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with Notability. This app is known for its easy to use interface. You can write, type, or record audio notes. It also allows you to annotate PDFs, which is a big plus for many users. The syncing feature is smooth, making it easy to access your notes across devices. Now, let's look at GoodNotes. This app shines with its handwriting recognition. You can write naturally and it converts your notes into text. GoodNotes also offers a variety of templates and covers, letting you customize your notebooks. The organization features are strong, making it simple to find what you need. Finally, we have Kilonotes. This app is newer but has gained attention for its unique features. Kilonotes focuses on collaboration. You can share notes and work on them with others in real time. It's great for group projects or study sessions. When it comes to differences, Notability is great for audio notes. GoodNotes excels in handwriting recognition, and Kilonotes is all about collaboration. In terms of features, all three offer note taking, but GoodNotes stands out with its text conversion. Notability is perfect for audio users, while Kilonotes is ideal for teamwork. Pricing varies too. Notability and GoodNotes typically have a one time purchase, while Kilonotes may offer subscription options. So, which one should you choose? If you like recording lectures, go for Notability. If handwriting is your thing, GoodNotes is the way to go. If you need to collaborate often, Kilonotes is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more comparisons.